They are lethal to humans, and their body contains about 24 sets of eyes. They are the most poisonous box jellyfish in the Pacific Ocean. They have 15 tentacles, which are about 3 meters long, and they contain over 5,000 sting cells. The Australian box jellyfish. This jellyfish can swim for about 6 meters per minute, and they mostly inhabit the shallow waters of northern Australian coast from November to April each year. They are carnivores, and as they swim quickly using their tentacles in the shallow waters of the northern Australian coast, they mostly feed on small fishes, crustaceans, worms, the mantis shrimps, and other marine invertebrates. At maturity, the adults can grow to an average length of about 10 feet long, and they can weigh up to 6 kilograms. The Australian box jellyfish have a lifespan of about 3 to 9 months in the wild.